So, good morning. I literally just woke up. Not really just woke up, but I was like, I'm gonna make some breakfast potatoes. Why not vlog? Or like show y'all the process. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I had already started. So I'm like currently peeling and cutting the potatoes. It's me alone, so I'm not really do plenty. So it's my first time doing it though. Just to try and look a thing. So please do not come for me, okay? Okay. So we have the potatoes, them here so already where I'm gonna start cut. Make a finish peel the next one and then cut it up, okay?
Man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them put the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range.
Okay, so I have the pot on with some water. I'm gonna add some salt. Let me put a little bit more salt. But if that got too much salt, so I'm gonna let this boil and then I'm gonna put the potatoes in it. Okay. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm just waiting for the water to boil and I was like just going through the videos that I just did, just realizing that a part where I was like washing the potatoes, like because I had like start cutting them and then I had stopped and I paused the video to do something and then I started washing the potatoes. You know, understand, like it's in slow motion and I'm trying to like see if I could fix it to like let everything flow fluent, but that'll take up too much of my time, and if I can't get it to fix then I will insert that part. But just now I did wash my potatoes. Okay, so don't come for me. So yeah, that's that. As I said, it's my first time making it, so I'm just a freestyle. So yeah, no mega put my potatoes in the pot. The water's supposed to have, and I did add more water. I did add more water to the pot since I feel like I put a little bit too much salt. So I did put some more water. I'm gonna put in the potatoes. So let's go. Okay, so we have the water boiling. We just show the potatoes. Ooh, we can't have to hold the camera, so wait, make it 1 spoon. Okay, so we're just gonna make it boil for like maybe, boy, I don't even know, maybe 5 minutes since they're like small, and I don't want it to be like I don't want it to be too soft because I have to fry them. So we just boil out look at the hardness, look at the starch, and then we can fry them. Okay, period. Okay, so as you can see, the potato them look soft now. See, so I'm gonna strain off the water so we can fry them. I don't want it too soft. And this was like maybe a good 15 to 20 minutes after. I don't know what that's about 5 minutes. But like we're gonna drain this off. We could probably put it on the phone because I'm not able to burn it. So hold on. This one don't come for me. But just don't want to put it in the top. Press this pan side. Put this forward. Okay, so I'm gonna put on the pan for fry the potato them. So I'm gonna wash up the something them and then show them when mega fry. Okay.
She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach your whip that a turret. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I the crap just put it in the song. Alright.
Okay guys, so now the pot's hot. I'm gonna put like an oil. Don't come from a pot, okay? I don't want a lot of oil in it, so why does this look like woolly? I was gonna use butter, but I just realized I don't have no butter, so I'm gonna use the oil. And then I'm gonna put it in the potato them you know, so stay tuned. I wanted to boil the potato them so long, I don't want them too soft, but I didn't want it hard. They look soft. But then fry look and then make add some seasoning, so now make it just get my egg so we can toss up my egg. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add some seasoning to my pot. At this point the best I make a hash rolls because Jesus how they mash out, so make add my egg and just freestyle. Guys, this is how I cut it. So add my egg, yeah. And just mix it here. However, this and all the camera is a lot, not even gonna lie. The potato them really well firm. Make it seem like it'll come together-ish. It don't look so mash out like before. So thank God, I guess. Guys, I can't do this and hold the camera. So maybe when it done, make a show the final look, guys. You know? Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is the final product, guys. I mean, it's not bad, trust me. And I thought that the potatoes were too soft. Like honestly, like I tasted it and it's just fine. It's perfectly fine. And then when like you put the egg together with it, it doesn't really look too soft or whatever the case is. But the potatoes are perfect. They're literally so perfect. Because I don't like hard potatoes. Like honestly, they're perfect. I mean, do what works for you. Everybody is different, everybody cooks different, so that's just that. A lot of people put like paprika and stuff like that to give it some color, you know, but we're just keeping it simple and cute, so that's it. that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Kisses. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I mean, I just had to take over the food. Oh my god. But don't forget to follow me on Instagram at OG Chrissy. TikTok. Comment down below what you want to see me do in the next video. And yeah, love you guys. Bye.
It's connected to you.